I'm Gina Loves Christmas. Welcome back to the channel for Christmasing. We're in a little bit of a different space. Usually I'm dancing around that tree behind me. I am gonna decorate it for you, but first we're gonna do an unboxing of my Christopher Radko ornaments. I am known for filling boxes, wrapping them to perfection, filled with nothing but my love. These boxes are also filled with love. They're filled with heirloom ornaments, the ornaments that you have collections of from your grandparents and your great-grandparents. The stories you have with these ornaments touch my heart all the time. So we're gonna do some heart work this morning. Let's go. Christmas Cruiser. This is what I've always taken aback by is, why are they so shiny? The detail is unbelievable on these ornaments. I handle them with such great care, but I wanna look at them so closely. Hi, Santa. Santa's snack break. Santa and cookies. Santa and I have a lot of things in common, and chocolate chip cookies are definitely one of them. Toyland Treasures Snow Globe. This inside of the snow globe, there's not a single detail that is missed. This is why you can stare at these trees created with these ornaments for hours and always see something new. Winter Frost Snowman. The vivid colors are so beautiful. All I can think about is how these tie into my ribbons. And the true colors, when you think of like the real original Christmas colors, we think of red and green. What about blue? Blue was always part of that. Red, greens, blues, golds, all of the Christmas colors. Hello. Do you want to build a snowman? I love the baby ornaments. This is World's Best Treehouse. I'm gonna pretend it says World's Best Tree. That's really well done. Your ornament distribution is fantastic. Ready to ride Santa. Ready to ride Santa. Santa is ready to ride. This reminds me of my sweetest, sweetest Santa, Santa Owl. I can't wait to put him on the tree this year. When you get a gold box. The gold boxes are limited edition. So when you get a gold one, you're getting a limited edition. I don't know if you knew that. I don't even know if that's true. I might have just made it up. No, I think it's true. Oh my gosh. So spectacular. This has to be a limited edition. I also already took the tag off of this one. Spectacular. You are definitely living in my house, like for the rest of your life. Gilded giraffe. Gilded giraffe. It's like a carousel horse, but a giraffe. It's like the sweetest moments. I used to go to the park with my grandmother. This reminds me of that. I mean, the detail on the giraffe. Come on, so good. Take to the skies. On Dasher, on Dancer. We have a dog named Dasher. This is a beautiful little reindeer ornament and the little rhinestone detail coming off the side. This one's called Stained Glass Serenity. And this is the stained glass, like the old world stained glass. This might be the closest thing to the real deal I'll ever get. I also love the idea it's double-sided and changing which side is showing. And your family would just know that you did it. You'd see it like that. Sleigh full of delights. What if the sleigh was really filled with the boxes of nothing but my love? That would be amazing. Bow game on point, Christopher Radko. Bow game. I approve. Band in a bag. So if I was a one-man band, all of the instruments I play are in this. Band in a bag. This is spectacular for that music lover. We love music. I mean, this could be our family in Santa's bag right here. Sparkling winter spruce. Wow. That's your 2024 trend. Beautiful whites, blues with the golds, and all of it. See, even Christopher Radko knows you have to have presents under your tree for it to be complete. Even if it's just boxes of your love that are literally perfectly detailed and painted and glittered. I appreciate the detail. Okay, this has he has cardinal birds painted. I think, you know, when you see Santas, and there's so many different versions of Santa, but Santa really is just like a little bit of a figurehead for Christmas spirit. I feel like I may be the same for some of my Christmasers, but I think that when I see different Santas and I see like the details like this is what makes them so special, which is why in all of these boxes, and so many of them are filled with Santas. This is one of the gem ornaments. It's called Roaring Royalty. I am a Leo. If you are a Leo, you need to get this and we can be ornament twins. Carousel Christmas tree. This tree is covered in carousel horses. Carousel horses are very special to me and my family. We work with an organization called Carousel Ranch and have for over 2 decades, and it's a very special place to our heart. It's a very special ornament to me. there's a star on top. And everybody always says, Gina, why don't you have a star on top of your tree? Well, not everybody has to, but you can have one if you want to, just like this ornament. Christmas Village Santa. This Santa's like a moon, and he's got this little tinsel detail on his hat. This reminds me of my little Grinch tree. And this is everything. You see the movement in his beard? It's like it's a moving scene, a moving picture scene in an ornament. Woodland Friend Santa. Another Santa. You're just not like any other Santa. You're your own. So sweet. This is like little fairy tale Santa with all his little forest friends. All of the forest friends. Woo, woo. Another from the Santa collection is Winter Hue Santa. Also giving off the tinsel detail I love. You know how I feel about tinsel. It is reflective, so it is good. And adding it to the ornaments was a very good call. A carousel ride. Another special carousel ornament for Carousel Ranch. So beautiful. Who would know? Who knew something would become so sentimental to our family? Two of my favorite things, Santa Claus and Christmas trees. Deck the Hall Santa. This is the right amount of tinsel on an ornament. Tinsel is reflective and it is trending, and this ornament is spectacular in every single way. I love the little purple and gold trim at the bottom. There's just no detail. Even the bottom has glitter on it. This is, okay, this is the one. Everybody get this one. Sparkling Saint Nick. His detail is so spectacular. He's signed by Joseph Walden. He heads up the artistic team at Christopher Radko. So he's probably in charge of a lot of this extra glitter and tinsel. So I do have him to thank. Thank you, Joseph. I appreciate it. Clad and plaid. At one point in my life, specifically junior high school, I was mad for plaid. And I am giddy with glee for the Santa, who also is very mad for plaid. It's just so spectacular. Kyle, it's like Kyle went to Scotland and he wore a kilt. This one's going on the tree for Kyle this year. He's pretty. Winter Splendor Santa. The pewter detail inside his coat. Hello. He is so beautiful. And he has a little reindeer. He has this little, it's not a cane. Santa doesn't use a cane. He's in the snow. So he's needing the little thing to get through the snow. I don't know. It has reindeer detail on it. The details. It's where all the love is. And Santa has eyelashes, and they're better than mine. Golden Guardian. Nutcrackers need details, all of the little details. Last season, people were spray painting them and making them all monochromatic. We want details, and we want lots of glitter and jewels on our Nutcrackers. And this one doesn't disappoint. He even has a little fleur-de-lis on his hat. I love fleur-de-lis. Baby box. I love those little baby boxes. That good things really do come in small packages. Oh, holy night. That's what this ornament is called. And it's so beautiful. And this is the reason, Jesus is the reason for the season. I would always want this represented on our tree. And on the back side are the three wise men. Like, wow. Little box means little sweet ornament, the little gem ornament, asleep in a manger. Spectacular. Both sides spectacular. I talk about it all the time when we talk about the grandness of a Christmas tree. Jesus was born in a manger, and there wasn't a Christmas tree in sight. But I can't wait to hang this on my tree. Joyful wreath. It's a little gem ornament. This is a joyful wreath. This is like a ball garland wreath with all of the ornaments on both sides. It's a double-sided wreath. The detail, double-sided. If you're not gonna make a double-sided wreath, you shouldn't even bother making one. Christopher Radko. I'm just kidding. But really. Holiday Elegance Nutcracker. This is, again, back to those colors where we brought back in blues to the traditional Christmas tones. So spectacular. Blue belongs mixed with red and gold at Christmas time. He's like, what are you talking about? You know. I see what you're wearing, come on. Gift delivery, a stack of gifts in Santa's bag. The detail, Santa and his reindeer. It's only two, it's a small ornament. They couldn't all fit. The detail on this is there's a little village painted. Come on, there's even a snowman and a giant Christmas, I'm on the ornament. I see myself on the ornament. Everybody's there. Little gifts. Delivering the gifts is my favorite part. Golden Glow Santa. If I'm not a Santa, obviously. Obviously, I don't have the silver streaking glorious hair, but I really do. I have to color it every 2 weeks. It's a lot. But if I were a Santa, this is what I would wear. This would be my vibe. This one is a limited edition. I think I'm gonna give it away though. These are my ornaments and I don't think it's fair if they're sold out, and I have actually already had so many people reach out to me about them, so stay tuned on my Insta. I'm giving it away. It's like they sing when you open. Singing. Oh, it's Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Mr. and Mrs. Claus, this is an Alpine A-frame. Now, that's actually sweet because my Santa's name is Santa Al. It's an Alpine A-frame. I'm actually going to give this to Mrs. Claus. I'm gonna personally deliver this one. She's gonna love that it has glitter on the bottom too. Feel bad for this one. Flaky Frosty, you know which friend you have that's getting this ornament, and we still love them. The flakiest ones are sometimes the funnest. Just kidding. You're super cute though. I'm sorry about your name. The love of a family. It all began with a child. And also Joseph proves that real men do wear fuchsia, okay? And they look good in it. One of my dreams is to have a life-size rocking horse. Now, we have a sizable home, but I don't know if it's that sizable, but this is the one I would want. It's called Resplendent Rocking Horse. And it's like an enamel detail on this painted with, it's just so good. Wow. Full scale, coming your way. Gina's House, 2024. Radko is very generous. Santa's holiday home. Santa has twin trees on either side of his home. Why? Because twinning is always winning. And a good night to all. This one, I love this ornament. It is Santa flying around the moon made of cheese. So this is the ornament that we give to the people who read us nursery rhymes or the people who we read them to. Packed with presents. Packed with presents. Fully loaded Santa. It's got all the goods. Rocking the blue, because we're bringing blue back in Christmassy colors. I just decided it. It's gonna look so good there. I saved the ones with the metallic gold logo on them for the very end, because I always like to think there's something more special inside. They're all special, and I can't say that out loud. They'll hear me. This one's pretty special. Every single Christopher Radko ornament is hand-packed by very, very cautious and caring humans. I would call them elves if I was in charge of that label, but they have opted not to. This is such a special ornament to me because this is like a vignette under a tree. If this was, I would like to request this be made in a 36-inch ornament so I can put it at the base of my tree next year. Joseph, 36 inches. This is Holiday Joy Angel, but I'm calling her Holiday Sherry Angel, and if you know, you know. Sherry's a very special person to me, and Christmas, and this just looks just like her. Santa was here, or Gina was here, one or the other. 24-inch for next to my 36-incher. My favorite part about a Christmas tree are the memories that we create around them. I am gonna decorate this tree behind me with all these beautiful ornaments. We're gonna create a treasure tree together, you and me. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that video. Thank you for Christmasing with me today.